Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Hopefully, it was enjoyable for everybody. It appears like 2024 is going to be an absolutely magical voyage, so I hope everyone is getting ready for the new year already. I see a fantastic buying opportunity, so pardon me while I clear my throat. We must discuss what happened with Telcash. Category 200 ETF. Even though it's just a notion, XRP is doing very well and could even be traded as an exchange-traded fund, ETF, in Asia. Rest assured, I've got you covered, everyone. As an example, I propose we invest $14,812 in Bitcoin. Right now, it's down 1.26%. At $22.46, Ethereum will be brought in. Its decline amounts to 1.91%. US dollar. Why is that a $1 free while T is arriving as a dollar package with USDC remaining at $1.03? It's a mystery to everyone. The reason behind this is that investors are reinvesting their profits in USD, which is a positive sign. They plan to use this capital to buy Bitcoin again, which will likely cause its price to rise even further. They are preparing for the bull run. That is why it shouldn't be showing me $1 when it's like that much. Remember that 1.75 is the entire market cap for all cryptocurrencies, but that is the amount of money sitting in USDC right now. The magnet's current value is $1.678 trillion. What I'm seeing in the markets is good. Yes, I do. What excites me about the current state of Bitcoin is the determination shown by XRP to maintain its value between 59 and 60 cents. I mean, it's not looking good, but remember that 70 cents is the current breakout. We're aiming to get over there, and then we'll speak about $1 XRP. Even if things aren't looking good right now, I truly want to see $1 in Bitcoin before the bull run begins. Everyone has now locked my project. Do you still wish to do it before time runs out? Since January 1st is payday, if you purchase an NFT today, you will receive your incentives on January 1st. Similarly, if you purchase an NFT in February, you will receive your prizes on February 1st, return them by March 1st. Here's the deal, all you have to do is hold on to these, and I'll show you how to use the Hunter and Hunter system, which Jordan has ever had in stock. These were dropped yesterday. These are 3 points in total. If you can find the one closest to you, head on over there. If not, treat yourself to a vacation, maybe even a potion and a video game, because there's only 1 point left in each of them. A criminal or mobster just bought 30% of superheroes. This Lux line is on the verge of surpassing all other NFT projects on the XRP ledger in terms of monthly XRP payments. Take my word for it, the most monumental news is on the horizon, and you are going to be astounded and furious as hell over your own stupidity. So, let's take a look at Telcoin and see what's happening. I mean, who doesn't enjoy a good meaningless explanation? Let's just say it's like XRP moving money, okay? That is its desired action. A hacker stole $1.2 million from a compromised wallet. A 40% discount, we get it, things like this do happen, sadly. What will therefore transpire? Well, they'll figure it out and figure out what went wrong. Individuals will receive their funds returned. Personal information and private keys were unaffected. So that's a positive sign. Here, nevertheless, is what matters most. I understand. Please allow me to retrieve the chart so that we may examine the moment in time. Presenting what we were, HOC.002. Its all-time high, in my opinion, was around 6 cents. Previous upswing, it probably did 6 or 8 cents around that point. Yeah, we made 6 cents during the last bull market. It's 0.002, alright, there is absolutely zero funding for hack 0.001. Attention everyone, this is going to make a full recovery and then soar to new heights, a 0.002. Money advice is not what this is. You would have been better off purchasing Tau coin at its all-time low of 0.000 if that had been your intention. Alright, it's aligned, but this item is still really low and will eventually recover to its pre-hack state. I usually say this, but this is a fantastic opportunity to buy. Hashtags. Hashtag names because the custodian of Bitcoin ETFs is continuing to hold SEC meetings with applicants. One possible outcome of the first few days of the new year regarding a Bitcoin ETF is on Friday. The owner of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds changed the name of his Bitcoins and upcoming ETF to hashtags and named Vico as the Bitcoin custodian. Bitcoin ETFs, like other businesses, are keeping their fingers crossed for early next year's approval to sell to US investors. Guess who they're going to hang out with now? Hashtag altering the name. Adore it. In love with it. The SEC will be notified whenever we receive this. That is precisely why this is so intriguing. Bitcoin ETF applicants are told by the Secretary to make final adjustments before the end of the year. According to what the SEC has said, all corporations should have their documentation completed and submitted by the 29th if there are any last-minute adjustments. Are you providing the details? Time is of the essence when it comes to the announcement of an ETF's approval, as I mentioned earlier in my videos. Because this is a secret discussion, the executives from both companies are speaking on background as they prepare to turn in the final paperwork. Finally, the SEC study deadline for filing updates is December 29. If any problems are identified and addressed by the deadline in 3 days, the meeting attendees will not be included in the first wave of prospective spot Bitcoin ETF approvals in early January. Thus, I am warning you against putting on a first wave. Yes, you do. These ETF approvals will occur in waves, as previously mentioned. There will be 3 waves of investors, the Golden Boys, who can align to give them an early advantage, the rest of the pack, who will keep pouring in, and finally, the ones who have been left behind by the ETFs and the institutional money, who will just be picking up the pieces. These markets are about to experience unprecedented levels of pumping. It's possible that this is one of the final bull runs before the market crashes. Now we know that 52% of the Ethereum in circulation is held by 200 wallets. How many of these are associated with ETHgate? So, 52% of the Ethereum in circulation is held by 200 wallets. The question remains, and it's a good one. About how many are associated with each gate? We have 300 million XRP that flows between Binance and Wales, therefore our price fluctuates. How many people took advantage of that free pass? Many stocked up and bought as the Sky Whales membrane helped with this. Is this what we see? Lots of XRP changing hands. 20 minutes after the first withdrawal, at the exact same address that sent 1,330,000 XRP to another wallet formed that same day, he transferred some Binance Source cash to another address. It is now impossible to determine the future whereabouts of either fund, as they are both still at their respective addresses. The best case scenario for XRP holders is that their monies sit idle and don't go to another exchange after liquidation. You're absolutely right about that. To show your support for our exchange and prevent XRP from being transferred to another, this is the way to go. For whatever reason, you'd rather have XRP transferred from the exchange to a wallet than the other way around. Tell me what happens next. The reason behind its return to the exchanges is a dump. This was released by Egon Crypto using XRP Super. Go back to what I told you about him going consolidated at the moment, 20, 50, 022 posts, if you want a clear picture, guppy. The retest lines, numbered 1 through 3, are presented below. What you do know $3.70. You may recall that my goals have ranged from 350 to 650. This thing is driving him up to his limit. You are aware that 16 hours 20 minutes and 30 seconds will occur. XRP's price is about to skyrocket. Like I've been saying before, everything is important. We XRP holders are in for a wild ride during price discovery, no matter how high we go. As for XRP, we have not yet had price discovery. Since 2017-2018. The SEC's decision to publicly shame XRP prevented us from entering the last bull cycle, or 2020, my friend. Finding the price of a cryptocurrency or other digital asset is usually an incredible experience, but it has been a long time coming. Everyone, we were there. 2024, stay focused. DJP, the DeVos. Ahead of America's slumber, Hong Kong was invited by industry heavyweights to file for an XRP spot ETF. They will, in fact, proceed. Then, what exactly is this? It's intriguing, actually. Famous XRP members, venture capitalists, and private equity firms have taken notice of today's critical announcement from the Hong Kong regulatory agencies. The Securities and Futures Commission and the Hong Kong Monetary Authority are prepared to accept crypto spot ETFs. If you were joyful, how would it feel? All you were doing was making them move slower. Then what are people supposed to do? They pack their belongings, go abroad, and accomplish what the United States government refuses to. The United States stands to lose a significant amount of money as other countries take advantage of their well-defined crypto regulations. However, the United States, as per the SEC, because the SEC simply does an excellent job, they went on to say that it's all quite obvious. The rules are clear to us. We are aware of the rules, so they shouldn't waste time attempting to regulate cryptocurrency. Dennis, that is quite evident. Listen up, people, the United States will eventually catch up to the rest of the globe. I just don't see it that way. To tell you the truth, I don't actually feel that far behind. In my opinion, they will appear out of nowhere. And they will be just like that little child who ran the entire race in last place. Slingshots advance at the last minute. I don't believe Americans are naive. In my opinion, they are fully competent. My guess is that they're just trying to buy time so that their friends and bank can join in on the action and put them at the head of the queue. The cross-border and central bank digital currency supported use case is what makes me believe XRP will become one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the market. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.